Now, before I get into Jamie's death and how you contributed to it, let me speak on something here. You making fun of me being on the edge of suicide ain't something I put up with, homeboy. You contributing to Jamie's death. You asked me, what's the evidence that you contributed to her suicide? What's my evidence? I'm glad you asked, because I'm about to pull it up right here and present it. Let's see. Let's go to one of the very last videos that she was on. Now, I want you guys to pay attention to how she acts on live, the way she acts, how strung out she gets. Her last fucking live stream when Marty was around, okay? Let's go to the very last live stream, which was taken exactly a year ago on July 1st. It's not hard to see, Marty. She was drugged out. And guess who supplied half of her fucking drugs? Cause you yourself are a drug addict. She died of COVID, but let me tell you right now, you fat tub of lard, that if you hadn't have done what you did, giving her those drugs, giving her that alcohol, she might still fucking be here. What he's gonna do first chance he gets, when he's done using you, he's gonna throw you away, cast you aside, and he's gonna stab you in the motherfucking back. Trust me, I know. Marty ain't no fucking saint like you think he is, you dumb fuck. Marty ain't the fucking saint that he claims to be. He really ain't. The dude's a backstabbing little bitch. This kid right here is a special needs kid. This kid right here, I know his family personally, and I'm very good friends with his family. Okay? I'm very good friends with both of his parents. And I had several times of being on YouTube stuck up for this kid. Matter of fact, Jamie even defended this kid. Now, what you're about to see is the kind of people that Marty are, the type of people that Marty is connected with. But Heather, I don't think you want to be associated with Marty. That's why. And pretty soon, that's gonna be you. That kid Suplex City Vlogs is gonna be you later on down the road. Since you want to run your mouth and say I ain't got talent, okay, I got your fucking ass. Hey, CIA, you ready to take it up a notch for these guys, man? Because we're about to go old school with this one, dog. Marty, I don't want to hear you running your mouth about me again, saying I can't do shit, motherfucker, because you know I can. I'm just mad at the fact that every time I prove your ass wrong, you punk out like a bitch. And like I said, Marty, you need to get the fuck over yourself, because we all know that you killed Jamie, dog. You contributed to her fucking death. Ouch. So before you go running your pussy ass mouth about me again, I suggest you shut up, sit back, and fucking take a look at the goddamn facts, boy. So Marty, have fun being a loser for the rest of your miserable life while I become successful.
Lies, lies, lies.